Hello, my name is Shane Kehoe. I am one of the resident DJs from the world famous Ministry of Sound in London. We are here tonight hosting an event in the Cherry Club in Wrocław in Poland, and as you can see, the night is just about to start to go absolutely off.
Every day and night. Are you gonna be the one who's always gonna treat me right? And when we get together, turning down the lights, need you 100, need you 100%. I wanna be the one you tell all your friends about. Baby, I'll be the one you just can't do without. You gotta give me everything, baby, ain't no doubt. Give me 100, need you 100%.
I'm so excited to be back in Poland. It's been at least, I don't know, about 12 months, but each and every time I come back to Poland, it's an amazing experience. And I think tonight, as you can see, is shaping up to be perfect. A really, really nice group of people here in the club, some really nice girls, all dressed up, some really cool guys, and just a perfect house music crowd. So from me, from Ministry of Sound, from the Cherry Club, thank you so much. Time to get our rave on, time to party to break of dawn. Let's do this, let's do it.
I wanna be the one you call every day and night. Are you gonna be the one who's always gonna treat me right? And when we get together, turning down the lights, need you 100, need you 100.